Hey everyone, today we are going to create this simple profile card using Bootstrap. We will take a basic card component from the Bootstrap documentation and customize it step by step. Let's get started. First, open Bootstrap documentation. Go to component and search for cards. Here we can see different card example. I am going to use this basic card and copy its code. I will paste this code inside my HTML body. Before we customize it, let's understand this structure. This card has card body and we will keep our profile image and all the profile content inside the card body. I already have a profile JPG image in my project. Profile.jpg. I'm keeping the image inside the card body. About the profile information, I'm also using Bootstrap rounded circle class. Make the image circular. Now let's replace the default card content with our profile information. Here I'm adding card title Zikra Khan, Python full stack developer. Description: building clean and user friendly. Now we have our name, profession, and short description. Now I want to place the card in the center of this screen. For that, I will add one extra container around the card and use Bootstrap Flexbox utility. Here I am. This extra container is used to center our card on the page. Deflex enable Flexbox justify content centers the card horizontally and align item center it vertically. Now let's customize the design with our own burgundy and cream color theme. Here I'm adding style, background color, page a soft cream pink background. Understand this line. Here I'm using Bootstrap utility classes for the border, shadow, rounded corners, and text alignment. I'm also adding my own dark burgundy color to the card. Now let's make our profile image look more attractive. Here, rounded circle makes the image circular. Border 4 gives it thicker border. I'm using the same rose pink color for the border to match our theme. Now let's make the name stand out. FW bold makes the name bold and text white makes it white. Now let's highlight the profession using our accent color. FW semi-bold makes the text slightly bold and I'm using our rose pink color. This line small makes the text smaller and MB4 adds some space below it. Save profile. Save. Understand, BTN gives us the bootstrap button style. Rounded fill makes the button rounded and PX4 adds horizontally spacing. Now I will add a small hover effect using my own CSS. Add the style inside the head. Hover, color, border color. Now, when I hover over the button, the color will switch. And this is our final profile card. We started with basic card component from the Bootstrap documentation and customize it using Bootstrap classes and our CSS. We use Bootstrap utility for spacing, flexbox, rounded corners, typography, and buttons, and we Bootstrap mini project. I hope you enjoy building this profile card with me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want more Bootstrap lectures, mini projects, or coding tutorial, let me know in the comment below. You can also tell me what you want to build next, and I will try to make a video on it. Thanks for watching.